In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your eBay listing private, allowing only approved bidders to see who else is bidding. This is particularly useful if you're selling high value or sensitive items and want to offer a layer of confidentiality to your buyers. First, you'll want to start by opening Google Chrome, or whichever web browser you prefer. Type in the URL bar to navigate to eBay's website. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log into your eBay seller account. If you've saved your login information, this should be a breeze, but if not, go ahead and enter your credentials. As always, ensure your password is entered carefully to avoid any login issues. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your seller dashboard. From here, you can either start a new listing or choose to edit an existing one. If you're starting fresh, click on the option to create a new listing. But if there's a listing already up that you want to modify, search for it under your active listings and click on Edit. Both processes will lead you to a similar page where you can manage your listing details. Once you're in the listing setup page, you'll need to scroll down until you find a section labeled either Privacy or Listing Preferences. These might be worded slightly differently depending on the region you're in or the specific version of eBay you're using, but they should be quite noticeable as you browse through the page. This section is where the magic happens in terms of making your listing private. Here, you're going to spot an option that says Private Listing, or perhaps Hide Bidders. Select this option to ensure your listing maintains the privacy you're looking for. By doing so, you're effectively restricting bid visibility solely to approved bidders, preserving the confidentiality of all parties involved in the auction. Next, double-check your selection to ensure it's set the way you want it. Then continue with filling out any remaining necessary details for your listing. This might include adding a detailed item description, uploading clear pictures, and setting your desired price. These details are crucial to attract the right crowd, so make sure they're as compelling as possible. When everything is in place and you're satisfied with how your listing looks, it's time to publish it. Hit the Publish or List Your Item button, and voila! Your private listing is now live on eBay. With this setup, only those you've approved can see who else is bidding, offering a layer of discretion that's often appreciated in competitive auctions. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide makes your selling experience on eBay both secure and successful.